Hi! Today I want to do something a bit different. Homemade kombucha. Let me show you how to do it.
I had been hearing a lot of good things about kombucha for some time, and one day I decided to try and make it myself. It turned out quite well, and my wife and I started drinking it regularly. I experimented with new flavors, and now I would like to share with you how to make your first kombucha. What is a kombucha? Kombucha is a sparkling, probiotic-rich, fermented tea drink with a pleasantly sour, slightly fruity taste. It has many health benefits. In this video, you will get all necessary information to start brewing kombucha at your place and enjoy this healthy beverage. It is worth mentioning that kombucha contains a small amount of alcohol, around 1–2%. When we talk about kombucha, I need to introduce scobby. Scobby is basically a creator of kombucha. It's kind of a tea mushroom. Scobby stands for Symbiotic Culture of Bacteria and Yeast. It's a rubbery, pancake-like disc that contains various strains of bacteria and yeast necessary for fermenting the tea and producing kombucha. You can breed a SCOBY on your own, but in this video I will use a purchased one. You can easily find it in the internet. It already contains liquid starter, which is basically an old kombucha. To create kombucha you actually need just 3 ingredients: SCOBY, tea and sugar. Ratio that I'm using is 20 grams of black tea or 10 tea bags, 200 grams of sugar, 1 cup, 3 liters of water. Start with simply boil the black tea. You can use different kinds of tea, but for your first kombucha I recommend to use a good loose black tea. Add a cup of sugar. Mix it. Wait for tea to cool down. In the meantime, you can prepare rest of the water. It should be a clean filter water. You can for example boil it. SCOBY does not like high temperature, so be sure that before you add it, the tea cool down. Below 30 degrees Celsius you will be fine. This sweet tea mixture will be the perfect environment for our SCOBY to thrive. Now add SCOBY with starter. Starter is just an old kombucha, so remember to not drink whole kombucha and leave a bit for next batch. I will remind you about that when I will bottle the kombucha. Cover your jar with a breathable cloth, like a cheesecloth or a coffee filter, and secure it with a rubber band. This allows air to flow in and out, while keeping out any unwanted visitors, like fruit flies. Now hide the jar in some dark, dry place. Let your kombucha ferment at room temperature for about 7 to 10 days. 8 days passed. Check how liquid changed color. Look at the SCOBY. I will now show you how to prepare SCOBY to use it for the next time. Once your kombucha reaches your desired level of tartness and fizziness, it's time to bottle it up. The best bottles for kombucha are the ones with the rubber seal. You can drink this kombucha as it is, or get creative with flavorings. This is another magic of kombucha. There's endless possibilities of flavors. You can use all kinds of herbs, fruits, veggies, juices and others. In this video I will show you a few examples. A bit of orange juice and dried hibiscus, version with lemon and mint, frozen cherries. Apples and lemon. I would highly recommend to check out the fresh mango. It's one of my favorite flavors with kombucha. I usually wait another 2-3 days that my flavors will carbonate the drink. Each day, I pop the bottles and check how carbonate they are. Be careful here, around third day it can be really explosive. And there you have it, homemade kombucha made easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you gave it a try, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes. See you next time.